clouds. She's daydreaming.
I have cold feet. I am too nervous. Shh, the walls have ears. Shh, someone might hear us.
Break a leg, Sarah. Good luck, Sarah.
We go camping once in a blue moon.
We go camping rarely.
She let the cat out of the bag. She told everyone our secret. She is a bookworm. She loves reading books. She is crying crocodile tears. She's pretending to be sad.
Don't cry over spilled milk.
Don't be upset about something that has already happened.
I am on cloud 9. I am very happy.
I felt like a fish out of water.
I felt uncomfortable. I am in hot water. I am in trouble.
I woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
I am in a bad mood.
I'm going to hit the sack.
I am going to bed. I have butterflies in my stomach. I feel nervous and excited.
Hold your horses.
Wait a moment.
Tom has a green thumb.
Tom is good at gardening.
English is a piece of cake. English is easy. It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining heavily. I am all ears.
Everest.
I am listening carefully.
Thank you for watching.